The health benefits of moringa and its medicinal uses. Moringa is a protein-rich superfood which has been used for thousands of years as a natural medicine in India, Central America, and other warm climates. The leaves of the moringa tree are ground into a healing powder which has become very popular in recent years for fighting diseases. In today's video, we will explore 21 facts and benefits of moringa and how it affects the human body. 1. Food source. Moringa leaves are being used to help feed starving children in poor countries around the world because they are loaded with protein and over 92 different nutrients. They also contain over 46 types of antioxidants, making moringa one of the most powerful superfoods in the world. It is often labeled as the tree of life. 2. Blood sugars. Many people suffer with high blood sugars, which raises the risk of diabetes, obesity, clogged arteries, and many more illnesses. Moringa helps to lower blood sugar levels back to its normal range. Studies show that consuming 50 grams of moringa with a meal helps the body to digest carbohydrates and keep blood sugars under control. 3. Immunity. One of the most incredible benefits of moringa is its ability to boost the immune system. Its high concentration of iron, beta-carotene, antioxidants and minerals helps the body to protect itself against all kinds of infections, diseases and the common cold. Moringa is antiviral, antifungal, antibacterial and anti-parasitic. 4. Mental health. The vitamin C and high contents of antioxidants in moringa supports brain health and cognitive function. Early studies show that this can help to protect against Alzheimer's disease, improve mood and mental health. Consuming this often helps to regulate neurotransmitters like serotonin and dopamine for better cognition. 5. Muscle growth. Moringa leaves are almost 25% protein with 9 essential amino acids, making it perfect for building muscle. We recommend consuming this when exercising to help strengthen the muscles. If you are a vegan or vegetarian, moringa is one of the best plant-based sources of protein that you can consume. 6. Hormone balance. Moringa is wonderful to use as a supplement to help manage menopause symptoms in women along with amaranth leaves. Research shows that this superfood can help to balance hormones naturally because of its high concentration of antioxidants. This is also very helpful for women with polycystic ovary syndrome and to support the thyroid and adrenal glands. 7. Inflammation. Taking 1 tablespoon of moringa powder daily is great to help reduce inflammation. The powerful antioxidants help to reduce cell damage from free radicals in the body. This is very useful if you suffer with chronic pain or any type of inflammatory disease such as asthma, sinusitis or arthritis. 8. Digestive health. In Ayurveda, the ancient Indian form of medicine, moringa has been used to treat stomach ulcers, kidney damage, liver disease, yeast infections, candida, and for detoxification. It contains 36 compounds that lower inflammation in order to boost the health of your digestive system. 9. Energy levels. Moringa leaves are rich in iron and calcium, 2 minerals which are used by the mitochondria cells to make energy. We recommend drinking a green smoothie in the morning with moringa to keep you energized and alert all day long. 10. Liver function. It was also used by ancient cultures to detoxify the body of harmful substances like heavy metals and toxins. Consuming moringa on a regular basis strengthens and heals the liver so that it can do its job in purifying the blood. Moringa oil in particular can help to restore liver enzymes to normal levels and reduce oxidative stress in the liver. It is also believed to help fight off kidney stones, urinary tract infections, constipation and diarrhea. 11. Skin health. You can also purchase moringa oil, and this can be applied to the skin to speed up wound healing and soothe dry or burnt skin. Moringa is rich in antibacterial, antifungal and antiviral compounds that protect the skin from many different infections. It is commonly used to fight acne, abscesses, dandruff, gum disease, bites, viral warts, wounds, and fungal athlete's foot. 12. Sleep. Moringa is a rich source of the amino acid called tryptophan, which improves neurotransmission in the brain. Tryptophan helps you to sleep better at night, which also improves your mood, fights off depression and anxiety, prevents mood swings, and helps to prevent insomnia. 13. Fertility. The antioxidants and nutrients in moringa promote better blood flow around the body and can boost libido. However, moringa is sometimes used as a contraceptive to help prevent pregnancy, so we recommend avoiding this if you are pregnant or trying to conceive a child. 14. Cosmetics. Many companies add moringa oil when manufacturing perfumes and skin lotions because it helps to kill off harmful bacteria. This protects the products from spoiling, and as a bonus it has a pleasant smell. 15. Bone health. As we get older, the bones tend to become brittle and weaker due to mineral deficiencies and the aging process. Moringa can help to keep the bones strong and healthy because it is one of the best bioavailable sources of calcium. It is also rich in vitamin K, which the body can convert into K2 to help the bones store more minerals. 16. Anti-stress. A study in 2010 showed that the leaves of the moringa tree are actually a powerful adaptogen. Adaptogens are herbs and plants that help the body to adapt to different kinds of stress. These have been used for centuries in Chinese and Ayurvedic medicine to help reduce stress and raise energy levels. 17. How to use. If using powdered moringa, we recommend taking 1 to 2 teaspoons of this every day to boost your health rapidly. This can be added to cold water to make a tea or blended into smoothies or juices. It has an earthy taste similar to spinach. This is very powerful, so do not consume this on an empty stomach. Always drink with or after a meal. 18. Origins. Moringa leaves, pods, seeds, roots, bark and flowers are all harvested from the Moringa oleifera, a tree native to parts of Africa and Asia. It is often called the tree of life, and the leaves are often known as drumstick leaves, malangai or dandalun. 19. Side effects. Moringa fruit, oil, seeds and leaves have been consumed safely for centuries, however there are many different supplements and extracts on the market. Be sure to find a good quality, pure organic moringa product and always check the labels for any warnings. In some people, moringa may lower blood pressure or the heart rate. Chemicals within the plant's root, bark and flowers can lead to contractions in the uterus, so avoid this entirely if you are pregnant. Always check with your doctor before using herbal remedies like moringa. 20. Sustainability. This is a drought-resistant tree and grows very easily in warm climates. It was voted as Plant of the Year in 2008 for its ability to help protect the environment whilst offering an easy food source in countries where food is scarce. Its medicinal properties and nutrients help to fight diseases in parts of the world that do not have access to adequate medicine and healthcare. 21. Nutrients. Moringa leaves contain 2 times the amount of proteins found in yogurt, 3 times the amount of potassium than bananas, 4 times the amount of calcium found in cow's milk, 7 times the amount of vitamin C as oranges, and 4 times the amount of beta-carotenes as carrots. The leaves are also loaded with vitamin C, D, E, folic acid, antioxidants, zinc, magnesium, iron, copper, and other trace minerals. As you can see, moringa is truly one of nature's most significant superfoods and is becoming more popular around the world as a daily supplement. Investing in high-quality superfood powders is a wonderful way to boost your health and strengthen your body. In our other videos, we discuss the benefits of many other superfoods, especially herbs, spices, and tonics. To learn more about nutrition and herbal medicines, please see our other videos. Thank you very much for listening. A like is always appreciated, and remember to subscribe and tap the bell for more healthy videos. I wish you great health, wealth, and happiness.